This is a question from database. The relation book title comma price contains the title and prices of different books. Assuming that no two books have the same price, what does the following SQL query return? Select title from book as B, where select count star from book as T, where T.price greater than B.price less than 5. The outer query selects all titles from book the table. So this is the outer query. For every selected book, the subquery returns count of those books which are more expensive than the selected book. This is what it happens here. The where clause of the outer query will be true for 5 most expensive book. So for example, count star will be 0 for the most expensive book and count star will be 1 for the second most expensive book. Let's consider an example and understand how this works. We have two tables assume. This is table B and this is table T. We have book and price. Book and price. Here also we have book and price. We have A, B, C, D, E, F. We have 100, 200, 300, 400, 500 and 600. Similarly, we have A, B, C, D, E and F. We have 100, 200, 300, 400, 500 and 600. So the first query will be from book as B, we are selecting the first one, and this will be compared with the subquery. The subquery would be this, and it will be compared. A will be compared with all these values. It will be compared with this, with this, with this, all these values. So we are comparing the price of T dot price versus B dot price. This is B and this is T. Now 100 is equal to 100, so this will be not true. This will be false. Second case is T dot price 200 is greater than 100, so this will be true. This will be also true. This will be true. This will be true. This will be true. It returns 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is less than 5. This is false. So this A will not be taken. Now let's take 200. Now on 200, what happens is 200 will be considered and 100 is less than 200. So this will not be, this will be taken actually because T dot price is greater than B dot price. So this will be true. This now we are considering this 200 is greater than 200. This is false, but 300 is greater than this. This will be true. This will be true. This will be true, and this will be true. So it returns 1, 1, 2. This will be also false. It will be written 1, 2, 3, 4. So this count is 4. 4 is less than 5. So this is also true. So it returns B 200. This is 1. Similarly, in the next iteration, it will be selecting 300 and it will be comparing with all these values. Now 100 is greater than 300, false. 200 is greater than 300, false. 300 is greater than 300, false. 400, 500 and 600 is greater, so we will get C 300. Similarly for D, E and F, for all these cases we will get the values, that is D, E and F 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It will be 400, 500, 600. This will be the result that is finally returned. So let's see the options. Titles of 4 most expensive books, false. Title of the 5th most inexpensive book, false. Title of the 5th most expensive book, false. Titles of the 5 most expensive books, yes. The 5 most expensive books are this, and this is what it is being returned. So the correct answer here is option D, title of the 5 most expensive books.